Welcome to Jendell Overland. Today I've got something really exciting to show you. So what I went and did is I purchased a ARV twin compressor, and I've already installed it with the Epic Kraken inflation unit. And I'm not going to show you all that, but I did put the sticker up here already. And here's what the PSI is set at right now. So I'm just going to deflate the tire. To show you how awesome this thing works. Now we're just going to let this air down, and once it's ready, I'll hook everything up and show you how it works. So just for the ease of this video, I took the doors off just to show you. You don't have to take the doors off to use this system. But here's the package that it comes in. And inside that we've got the hoses. We've got two sets of hoses. So we're going to take the first set and we'll plug it in here. And we'll come over to this tire and plug it in. Push that little lever in. Let's go over to this one. Push that in. Let's go to the other side. On this side you've got a single bracket here, so we're going to put that like so. And then we're going to come around here. Turn it on. Now all we got to do is just wait. So now that I got it all at 37, I'm going to go around and shut it off. I'll unhook this side first. Set these on the chair. Come around to the other side. And now I'm just going to hit this purge button to get all the air out of the line. That way it makes it easier to remove these back up. And that's it. It's fully inflated. It took about 7 minutes. I used to have the Smitty built, and it would take me a good half an hour to inflate. Now I'm doing it in 7 minutes. All 4 tires at the same time. So that is the Epic Kraken inflation system. I will put a link down below.